Have you ever thought about growing your own beans from store-bought ones? It's a cost-effective and organic way to enjoy these legumes. Plus, it's a fun activity that anyone can do. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of growing beans from store-bought ones. First, gather your tools and materials. You'll need a store-bought bean, a pot or a nice spot in your garden, nutrient-rich soil, plenty of water, and lots of sunlight. Now that you have everything you need, it's time to start planting. The first step is to plant your bean. Begin by filling a pot with well-draining soil, leaving about an inch from the top. Create a small hole in the center, approximately an inch deep. This is where your bean will call home. Now, gently place your bean into the hole, ensuring it's snug but not squashed. Cover it lightly with soil, as beans prefer a cozy blanket rather than a heavy duvet. Once your bean is comfortably nestled in, it's time to quench its thirst. Water it gently but thoroughly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Finding the right spot for your pot is the next crucial step. Beans adore sunlight, so place your pot somewhere it can bask in at least 6 hours of sunshine a day. If the weather's chilly, a sunny windowsill is a perfect spot. With the right care and patience, your bean will sprout in no time. Now that you've planted your bean, it's important to know how to care for it. Ensure it gets plenty of sunlight, water it moderately, and look for signs of growth, little sprouts and leaves. Remember, patience is key when growing plants from seeds. Growing your own beans from store-bought ones can be a rewarding experience. Just imagine, with a few simple steps, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown produce. The satisfaction of harvesting your own beans is unparalleled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.